Welcome to Kyrascope. Today we are opening this Kyrascope box, but this only has a one gift. Now I will see it. I am very excited. Are you? Now let's open it. What is this? Oh wow! Guys, this is a box and this has juices. This is paperboat and guys, this is a one juice, but this has 4 packets of juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has 4 amras juices. I'm very excited to open this. This is my favorite juice. I love this. Now let's open it. Now this is opened. What is this? Wow, so many. Oh wow, this has a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Guys, I was thinking this is so big box. It has bundles of 4, but this has 4 juices. This has a very nice Rakshabandhan poem here. I will get my mom to read this story to me. Now let me try this arm juice. This is nice, but I think this needs some cold. I think I have to put this in the freezer. Then I will have it. Let me close this bottle and then in the next video I will show you. I will put it in the fridge and wait and drink it now. Guys, this is very tasty. I hope you like the video. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.